The best comparison partner you can have is you. Comparison is the thief in the night who robs you of your joy tomorrow. Let's lay the facts out there. Facts. There is someone you wish you could be more like, someone you see on social media who appears to have it all together. Success comes easy for them. They have the best marriage. Their kids never misbehave. They are living the dream life. Actual facts. You have no idea what is going on behind the curtains in that person's life. The edited highlight reel of a very small snapshot in a moment of their life, and likely based on true events, is what you see, but is far from the truth. The strained marriage, the kids who rebel, the family member who is sick, the stress and anxiety of maintaining an image, and many more. I've seen it far too many times. The person everyone sees from the outside is vastly different from the person they are on the inside. But there is someone you should compare yourself to, you from yesterday. Research shows that when people focus on their own personal improvement, they experience greater sense of intrinsic motivation, which leads to increased success. This approach also helps people develop a long-term growth mindset. You know you better than you know the image of a person you aspire to be like. It's like when you look at the cover of a magazine and expect to have washboard abs, flawless skin, and an eternal tan like the model has. It's not real. The picture is airbrushed, the abs are edited after weeks of borderline starvation, and the tan is a spray tan. What it seems often isn't what is. The confidence boost today comes through comparing yourself to your best comparison partner, you from yesterday. You don't have to see drastic improvement every day, of course, but if you continue to take steps forward with a growth mindset, you will see great personal growth. The best version of yourself is the one that constantly is growing and evolving. I'd say that's not a bad person to compare yourself to. A flower doesn't think about competing against the flower next to it. It just blooms. Zen Shin. As you probably know, I am really big on health, and especially brain health. That's where it all starts, literally, the brain. And when I have an opportunity to try something out that is said to, yeah, this will improve cognition and help with neurodegeneration and also the inflammation in the brain, I'm gonna check it out. And what I have found has been really, really positive so far. I've been feeling clear. I've been feeling sharp. I've been feeling high energy. So I'm seeing the results, but also seeing and hearing the patient studies and the results that have been done. This is called Tri Neuro Supplements, just like it sounds. TRI Neuro NEURO Supplements.com. Check it out. They are changing the game when compared to Alpha Brain, which is supposed to be and supposedly known as the best. It actually outperforms with the level of ingredients and the cost. So it's not going to just rob you of the bank to be boosting your brain. It's a small pill that you take. It's just like a vitamin like anything else. And hey, check it out. What they're doing for the David Nurse Show and anybody listening, they're giving 20% off. The code at checkout is NURSE20, and that's TriNeuroSupplements.com. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Give me the feedback. And I think it's really worth it. Honestly, just anything you can do to protect your brain and the longevity of the mental health that you have, go for it.